Okay, 57 and 58 say find the slope of the line passing through the following points. So first off, we have to find the slope. Got to start with the slope, and we need to remember that your slope is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Change in y over change in x. So x1, y1, x2, y2. So again, find our slope first. We're going to put these in slope-intercept form. It doesn't specify. So we need to find m and b. So m is going to be y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And then you can type that in your calculator, because then it'll simplify it for you. Alpha y equals enter 4 minus 15 over 3 minus 6. And that gives me 11/3. So I know this is my slope. Okay, and now I have to find my y-intercept. So I'm going to plug in what I know into my y equals mx plus b. So I know y equals 11 over 3x plus, we don't know b, so I'm just going to put b. I also knew 2 points. I'm going to pick my smaller point, I'm going to plug it in, and I'm going to solve for b. So y is 4 equals 11 over 3 times x is 3 plus b. Well, you can realize that multiplication cancels division. Those should cancel, or you could type it in your calculator. So alpha y equals enter 11 over 3 times 3. See, it just equals 11. So I have 4 equals 11 plus b minus 11 minus 11. I have b equals 4 minus 11, negative 7. So here my answer is y equals 11 over 3x minus 7. I'm going to do the exact same thing. So x1, y1, x2, y2. So again, I have to find m and b. Those are the 2 things I'm looking for. So negative 8 minus 2 over negative 3 minus 6. And I get 10 over 9. Because they would both give me a negative. 2 negatives makes a positive. Okay, so I know my slope is 10 over 9. So I know y equals 10 over 9x plus b. And I'm going to choose my positive numbers. So I know that y is 2 equals 10 over 9. And instead of x, I'm going to type 6 plus b. And here I'm going to do alpha equals enter 10 over 9 times 6. That gives me 20 over 3. So I get 2 equals 20 over 3 plus b. So I have to subtract minus 20 over 3 minus 20 over 3. 2 minus 20 over 3 gives me negative 14/3. So b equals negative 14/3. So I have y equals 10 over 9x minus 14/3. Now we can check our work because that's a little crazy looking. Let's double check, make sure we did this right. So alpha y equals enter. I'm going to type in my equation. And I have 10 over 9x minus 14 over 3. I'm going to go to my not my graph, sorry, hold on. My table, and I can scroll up to negative 3. Well, negative 3, 8, that worked. Negative 3, negative 8. And I can go down to positive 6, and it gave me 2, so that is also correct. You could also check this one the exact same way.